Hi and welcome back to Google Analytics Basic Principles. Now once again here we are back at the main dashboard for the test account, or live account in Google Analytics. So following on from the previous lecture, we were looking at audience behavior. Let me scroll down to that, and it was new versus returning. So I just want to show you engagement now. So it's closely linked to that, but it just gives you like an added dimension and some other data from different angles. So this basically is session duration split up into different segments and the total number of sessions. So the very first one is, it counts the total number of sessions where people have only spent anything between 0 to 10 seconds on your website. And it shows you the total number of page views for those sessions. So these are the people that are going to give you the least amount of value. I mean, anyone that spends about 0 to 10 seconds on a website, either via their mobile phone or a desktop, has probably made their mind up pretty quickly that it's not something they're interested in, and they'll move on, and they probably wouldn't come back to your website. So what you want is for this number to be low. So as you can see, this particular test score is very bad in that sense, because that number is very high as a percentage to the rest of the sort of data that you have. So same with 11 to 30 seconds, you want that to be quite low as well. When you get to 31 to 60 seconds, that's when you want it to start being a little bit higher. And 61 to 180 seconds is the sort of optimum amount. And also this sort of region 61 to 180 second also accounts for most of the people that go into their desktop, because it's naturally they will be on your website a lot longer. So you can, when you look at this data, it gives you some hints and tips, and it gives you some insights in what you should be doing with your website and how it's performing. So you can see straight away that if that 0 to 10 seconds is very high, then there's something not right with your website. People are leaving very quickly, and you can drill down and find out why and so on. Or on the other hand, if you could see that this sort of region here was considerably higher than what you can see right now, then the data itself, that means that your store is performing quite well. But then you can also look at other data to back that up, you know, sales, revenue, and other data on this Google Analytics. And you can also go into page depth as well. So this just shows you the number of pages that, the amount of sessions where they went into more than one page. So you can see again, because there's a really large amount of people on the segment of 0 to 10 seconds, this is what you would expect, that they only went into one page. 2 pages as well. I mean, 0 to 10 seconds, they might go into a particular product page, homepage, and then they're out of there within 10 seconds. So that's why these are very high. So you can see down here that for some reason 6 pages is higher than 5 pages, 7 pages, 8 pages, 9, and all the rest. So you can maybe drill down. I mean, I'll show you in the next lecture just other data you can look at, just to see maybe from looking at this, you can see the way your website flows. There's something not right with it. Your sales funnel and so on, it makes everyone leave at a certain point. So again, with a lot of this data, you might see that different data all points to the same thing, but that's very important. What you want to be able to see all sorts of different data pointing to the same thing. Then you know you've got like a rock solid answer, something that you can use to make decisions, and you know that you're not just guessing. They're sort of built on sort of rock solid foundation. So that's it for this lecture, and I will see you on the next lecture.